coming to you guys live from my GoPro today. I just got it for Christmas and I figure I'll use it to make a little video, a little update video on the C63, and I'll just go show you. So since the last video, I haven't been able to do too much to it, honestly. Pretty much since the last video, I got the 10mm spacers on the back. I don't know if you can see them. I got the 10mm spacers on the back. My buddy Nash, who wraps cars, I'll put his link to his Instagram, check him out. We blacked out my trim, so the trim pieces all under the windows, and this in the back used to be chrome, so we did a chrome delete. Sorry, car's so dirty. It's been snowing and raining here in Connecticut. Pretty crappy Christmas weather if you ask me, but yeah, I figured I'll take you guys for a little POV drive, my new GoPro. Yeah, I haven't been able to do too many mods because I had to do the A service, and I got some winter tires because definitely want to get winter tires up here in Connecticut with this thing. And so yeah, I had to do some maintenance and some more needed stuff like that first, but then I have some mods coming in. I have a diffuser coming in and some other stuff too. You have to stay tuned and see. But yeah, and don't roast me for that check engine light. I had it checked. It's a I had the code red. It's running too lean at idle. It's just a vacuum leak, nothing serious, but I'm gonna get it taken care of soon. It keeps going away and coming back. So yeah, the car's still running fine, no misfires or anything. That's why I wasn't too worried about the engine light, but I definitely want to get it checked out. It's just a system. I think the code said system running too lean at idle bank 1. And it's a little wet out today, so the car won't be able to put down too much power. And these winter tires kind of suck. So we'll be able to slide it around a little bit. Damn. Yeah, so far I've been really pleased with the car. I'm really gotten to know it well. I can't wait to do more mods to it. Still looks good, even when it's dirty. Studded tires, so I can't even really put power down, but just save myself the headache, give them some peace of mind. They were worried about me in this car in the winter. So you can't even put the power down. I have to turn the traction completely off, or else traction control will just stop it. It's too wet. Go. This car is so much fun. I love it. I love driving it every single day. hate this weather. Doesn't even feel like Christmas. It's like brown snow and shit everywhere. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Short one, testing out my GoPro. Hope you guys liked it. I still got big plans for this car, just taking a little longer than I expected. But yeah, I hope everyone has a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I'm definitely gonna be trying to make as many videos as I can now that I got this GoPro. It's actually so good. It's like better than my real camera, I think. But yeah, peace.